Pare, bagong shafting, hindi nag-order ng nut. Ngayon, masikip. Hindi papasok. Virgin guys. So, gagawa natin ang paraan to. Check muna natin yung pitch. Should be metric. 2.0 pitch. Ito naman also 2.0, but it's not going. Okay. Magti-thread na naman tayo guys. So yung nut na ito i-oversize natin ng 1mm. So metric thread 2.0 pitch, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. So panoorin nyo hanggang dulo guys para makita nyo kung paano natin i-setting yung machine. At kasalukuyan naka-set sa inches itong lit machine natin dahil sa yung ginawa natin nakaraan na thread. So ngayon isi-set natin siya sa metric threading. So ito lang yung gear na to guys ang binabago natin. So panoorin nyo guys. I need to flat screw. You have to make it like this. See this pattern? This gear is outside. You need to put this inside. Okay. Yes. So that you have to make in mm. Okay, you have to lose this one, this, and then push. Wow! Wow! Babawasan mo natin yung ID niya guys. So, ayan guys, para thread cutting na tayo pagkatapos niya. So we will do 2.0. So this belongs to number 2. This G, number 2. Okay, number 2. Now F is number 2 because we will make a 2.0. Okay, so this number 2, F. Where's the F? Yes, F. Oh, I have to put number 2. Number 2, F. Okay. Now E. So E, I have to go 4. E4 is pitch number 2. Okay, so this is the A. Now we have to find the 4. 3, 1, not here. This is 2. This is 2. Here 4 is hiding. 4, okay. Okay, you have to turn the spindle so that you will. Sometimes it stucks now. Okay. This one you have to put. This is crossfit. This is linear. You have to put neutral. Okay. So that you can engage this. See, now this is threading. Okay, now I will see. I will align the tool bit. I will align this tool bit to the original thread. Okay. So yun guys, kailangan mo munang i-align yung tool bit, ipasadahan mo siya na hindi siya sumasagi, tapos isintro mo yung small tool bit doon sa original na thread niya para hindi masira. Yan yung fitter natin guys. So interesado siyang matuto, kaya sige, turuan natin guys para maka-acquire naman siya ng bagong knowledge na naman at skills. Okay. Now we'll continue more. Always see here this line. See? Half. I put half. Okay? So lagi mo talagang markahan yung ano natin guys, scale kung saan ka ang huling pakain mo. So dagdag ka lang ng konti guys para hindi ka maligaw. Kasi pag napakainan mo yan ng malaki, bulyaso, basag yung tool bit natin. So kailangan muna natin i-testing yung thread in place guys. Huwag mo munang tanggalin yung nakakagat doon kasi pagka hindi pumasok, mahirap na uli i-align yan.
Sampak!
Wow naman! Wow! Wow! Ada, baik.
Ibot. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video natin guys, paki-follow naman guys. Ay si katawa dia. Yan lang guys.